This joint is called The Sound. And when it comes to sound's one of the main things that can scare the fuck out of you in a scary situation, a short horror film, whatever like that.
True.
So it could be anything. You could be hearing any kind of sound that could tip you off. Something might sound unnatural that there's no way in the world this is normal. Like you saying that you're gonna pay for a bill, like hearing that kind of shit, like you just know something is off. Like either he's been possessed, he's been replaced, something's going on, that something is not right.
That's not a sound. That's a lie. That's not a. That's a.
It's a lie.
No, it's not. It's a word. It's a phrase maybe that you don't want to hear, but it's not a sound. We're talking about horror movie sounds. We can talk about some shit that I might have said in the past that I didn't come up with. As far as meeting you halfway with the shit,
it was unnatural because that type of talk doesn't normally come out as somebody like you. So you just hear certain sounds, you know something's up. So it could be something like that or anything. It's another altar joint, so you know shit's gonna be crazy. Let's see what they're talking about.
This is why I couldn't say it. This is why I hesitated.
Okay.
You didn't believe me when I did. So maybe I was obligated. It's everything that we've been saying.
What the fuck?
I wish you had seen her face. Oh, God. I swear that she was going to pass out right there in the restaurant.
Ooh, I wish I was that couch.
Turn green.
Oh,
damn!
Of course. I'm going to miss you, too. I'm glad we're doing this. I feel like I never see you even though we're in the same city.
Jeez. Nice.
It's amazing. No, I'm going to be in Thailand by then.
Oh, she going traveling.
Pictures, lots of them.
That scares the fuck out of me, man. So what could have caused that shit?
I heard something. You heard something? Like you heard something.
Damn.
But the doctor said that you couldn't. Okay, so you didn't hear shit.
Oh, that scared me.
Oh shit! Here, damn. What's next?
She's hearing.
Shit, yep.
What the fuck, did it spread? The fuck is happening? All right.
What's wrong? I wasn't.
Oh shit! Don't tell me. Fuck that.
Who's in the fucking crib? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh.
No, y'all. No. Whoa! What? What?
The fuck?
I need a part 2. I need a part 2. So is it like sound that's so crazy you can see it, or I don't know. She saw a person outside sneaking around and shit. What's the description say? 2 years after a woman experiences sudden hearing loss, strange things begin to happen. Man, I didn't know what that was. That's some scanner shit that caused her friend's head to explode.
Or the chick from
The boys?
the boys was haunting them and shit. Head pop shit, shorty. She up in there mad.
I don't think that's her, because like whatever sound it was that caused her to initially lose her hearing, that's some crazy shit that I don't know, man. I don't know. She heard somebody open the window and hop in, and the chick at the end saw something. She saw something.
She saw the back of her fucking head before her shit split. That's what she saw. Realistically, I want to know, what do you do in that situation?
You die.
I'm talking about the other situation. Me and you downstairs, right? I'm asking you, yo, was that you outside? Once you tell me that wasn't you outside, now you got to panic because I'm panicking, because I need you to feel this pain that I'm feeling by finding out that wasn't you. You hear footsteps upstairs and you downstairs? No, fuck that. I might freeze. I might freeze and not be able to move.
So you're gonna be the reason why we both die.
Exactly. I'm sorry, I hate to say it, but sometimes
Man.
some shit is so scary you just stand still.
Listen, we hopping in the kitchen, we grabbing every knife out of the fucking knife thing, and we daredeviling that shit until somebody get hit. Back against the wall, whatever you see, we just hurling them fucking knives. It better not be no random person either that wants to show up at the wrong time, because
You
listen,
getting hit. You getting hit.
you a porcupine now.
You're right. And I hate to say it. Look, I hate to be that nigga. I hate to be this dude. But that would be the worst time for one of those fucking Girl Scouts to be knocking on the door. I'm sorry.
They wouldn't be knocking at your door at nighttime anyway. They want to steal your money during the day.
Well, if this shit happens during the daytime,
Then it's just gonna be
hey,
free
look,
cookies.
I'll take that. I'm sorry.
Like, I don't play no fucking games. If there's something that if we hear anything, and I already got an overactive imagination, so if I hear anything in the crib, because I already hear stuff randomly sometime anyway, in my mind, that's what it is. It's some kind of demon that can pop your head. Like automatically, that's what's in my head.
Yeah, and what scares me is the heavy stomping, right? Then the head busting open. Whatever they saw, whatever she heard years ago.
See, I hate stuff like this because now you make me scared to even wear headphones. Because I told you I got an overactive imagination. You hear any kind of thing that sounds off, like, you know what I mean? Now I'm thinking about this. I'm thinking about the shorty that got a fucking hearing taken from some random sound. So now I just got to play the stereo on loud now because I can't put on headphones. Might want to take these motherfuckers off.
The only thing I can see making somebody die from sound is probably this new generation's version of rap.
Oh yeah, that'll
cause all this shit.
But the crazy thing is, like, whenever they play one of them songs when the car drive by, that sound she heard, that's what I hear already. So I want like, oh, what the fuck is that? So yeah, that's completely in line of what happened to her. It could have been a little flip flop or whatever like that probably popped on fucking headbuds that fucking took a hearing and shit. And now you know what I mean, it's dumb shit she got to deal with. 2 years. Fuck, man, that's just crazy. That's a scary situation. Like, I really don't know what you do in that kind of scenario. Like, you just jogging, and what's with the fucking nose bleeding though?
That's what's
like. What happened with that? And it's like it passed to her friend.
Spread over, or was it? I don't know.
It's something in the air because the bird died. The bird went skydiving. So there's something going on in that area. It's like it's some kind of like sound that's in the proximity that just affects all kinds of shit. Like, I don't know. I need a part 2, man. I need a part 2. Like, cause I'm gonna be running scenarios in my head, and I'm like, which one is it? And I gotta look out the window and burn my headphones and all that. So until I know I'm at risk.
Take the headphones off, your head busts open. You keep the headphones on, your nose is bleeding. Like, it's a lose-lose type of demon. Lose-lose. Nigga came from hell making sure you had no way to win.
That's why demons are ignorant. It's like, you can't listen to music no more.
Yep.
What the fuck, man? What the fuck am I supposed to do?
You can't listen to shit no more.
Demons are fucking ignorant, man. Fuck all that, man.
Oh.
Just a few minutes.
Dark shit.
Or maybe he's the killer from 20 years ago who wants to make sure they appreciate everything.
Me keep their memories alive, Jewel.
It could be.
For both of us.
We didn't see him.
Yeah, a few more minutes. Yeah?
After you.
She's scared now.
Or they're gonna trick you and she's the daughter of the killer and she's gonna kill him.
Ah, shit. Damn it. That'd be a crazy
These
ass.
are the most notorious unsolved murders in Texas history.